To make money from raising broiler chicken. How to raise money from raising 4-week-old broiler chicken this Christmas or during any other festive season or during any other time. That is exactly what I'm talking to you about today. An average broiler chicken that is 4-week-old cost 2,000 naira as of today, 2022 November 18. If you buy 20 or 40 or 50 of such at 2,000 naira each, and you feed them for 4 weeks, you give them their feed and you give them water. The main expense is feed. In the morning you feed them, in the evening or around 2 in the morning, early in the morning, 6, 7, 8 or 9 you feed them. Around 3 p.m, 4 p.m, you feed them again. That's 2 times in a day. That's what I do. Now, by the time you feed them properly, and then you can add in the water their vitamin, the multivitamin, the necessary vaccination, which should have been given to them before they get to age 4. But just to be double sure, you can still give them so that you don't have your chickens dying. Now, once you do that, by the time they are 7 weeks, 8 weeks, you will sell them for 5,000 naira or more. Look at the profit margin. All the feed you feed them, we feed each of them from the 2,000 you bought it, will not be up to 1,000. So you spend 3,000 on each, plus your own labor. Then you sell for 5,000. That means you are making profit of 2,000 naira on one bed, on one chicken. From that, if you buy 10 chickens at 2,000 and you spend 3,000 on 3,000, totally you spend 1,000 per chicken of food. I'm not even sure it will be up to that. That's 3,000 and you sell for 5,000. You made how much? 2,000 per bed. If you bought only 10 broilers and you do that, 2,000 times 10, that is 20,000 naira. There is massive money in the raising of broiler and the raising of chicken. I made this video on 4-week-old bird because Christmas is just 4 to 5 weeks away. So I don't want to go and buy day old now as I'm doing this video. As I'm doing this video now, it's time for you to buy 4-week-old birds or 5 weeks if you are looking at next week. The more expensive it may be. So by the time you buy it that way, you take care that way, boom, you hit the market with it. How do you hit the market with it? Just put a cage that is raised. You can make it with wood. You can make it with wood and net, or you can use iron to make the cage raised. Arrange the chicken in it by the roadside. People passing will stop by and buy. To make your own business distinct, put the price of the price you are selling on the cage. Also put the weight of the chicken on the cage, write it in the cardboard and put it there. What that will do for you means that customers, that means you're a supermarket chicken seller. Other people don't price, just stay there. But you, in your own case, the price is known. Some people are even afraid to go and price. But in your own case, you have told them the price. Some people say we are 10,000. Some people will abuse people when they price things. So some people don't like abuse. They don't like to talk too much. Okay, bring one. That's what they will tell you. Bring one. How much is it? You say, look at the price there. It's 5,000. What is the kg? Look at the kg there. They already know. People eating chicken already know what weight they are looking for, or what weight they've been buying before, and by so doing, you are going to sell faster, and you are going to sell, and you are not going to make much trouble. You are going to make more stress. Please like this video, share this video, hit the subscribe button if you have not done that, because I bring you value from time to time. I am traveling to go and give lectures somewhere to some people, and this idea just came to me. This Christmas, you must eat chicken. Oh. You must eat chicken. You must sell chicken and make profits and eat chicken and eat chicken. I've just analyzed for 10. From 10 chicken, you make 20,000. From 20 chicken, you make 40,000. From 30 chicken, you make 60,000. From 40 chicken, you make 8,000. From 50 chicken, you make 100,000. Just so you are not the one that raised them from day old, though, from 4 weeks to 8 weeks. I'm going to talk to you some other time. My name is Olugbenga Adetutun, and I'm the one bringing you content on this YouTube channel. My aim is to make you to become a better person in all ramifications of life. And I know you are going to get better as you listen to me from time to time. I'm going to come your way again soon. Bye for now.